Okay, you want to change the battery in your Lexus key fob. Here's the easiest way. You need to find the little switch right here. You teeter this little switch down and that will slide the key out. Once you have the key out, you'll see a notch that the tip of the key fits in. See the tip of the key? It fits in a notch. You'll see the notch down in there. If I can show you here with the focus. So it's right in the center of the notch. And the key fits in there. And then you twist it sideways. Now you don't want to squeeze the body at the same time, and you'll be fighting yourself. So you get it in that notch, then you twist it, and it pops it open. Remember not to squeeze the body because you're fighting yourself. So once you've got it open, you can flip it to where you see the battery. This will be loose, so you'll have to set that later back in there. Then if you have a tiny screwdriver or a knife or something, you can pry the battery out carefully. Try not to stab the pad underneath it, the electronic pad. And it only goes in one way. It kind of slides in like that and shuffles down into the clips. Now, your replacement battery can be either a CR2032 or a DL. I believe this is a DL. DL just means apparently it'll last longer. So the DL is more of a longer service battery. So either one will work, but this one might last longer. Don't forget to peel your tape off the back. Then again, you're going to teeter it into the back side first. These little tabs down here, slide it in, and bingo, you're done there. And then just snap her back together. Make sure this is seated in there, friendly-like. And then you just put your cover on. Get that the right way. Let's see here. Can't see through the camera well, and you should be able to just squeeze her back together. There you go, nice and snap. You should be good to go. I don't know, well, the light works, but the car's not here right now. It left with the other key. So it's that simple, and then you can just slide your key back in. You're good to go. Hope that helps you guys. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. Take care.